Cooking with Nicole. I wanted to give you a little introduction on how I got started on this healthy journey of mine, because it wasn't always healthy. 8 years ago, I was diagnosed with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and low thyroid. I was immediately put on medications for all these symptoms based on the way I ate. I thought, since I was newly married and the stress from being newly married, it was my husband, but after a few months, even a year, I still was on blood pressure, cholesterol, and thyroid medicine, so it couldn't be him. So it was the way I ate. I ate a lot of fast food, a lot of processed foods that really messed my body up. And so I didn't like cooking because my mom's from Mississippi, she's from the South, and she would cook in the kitchen all day long, and I just dreaded that. And beatings, I guess, went out, so she couldn't beat me anymore, so I would tell on her, so she made me cook, which I'd rather have a beating because that'd be over and quicker. So I had to cook all day, so when I became an adult, I dreaded it. But when I got diagnosed with high blood pressure, cholesterol, and thyroid issues and had to get on the medicine, I said, well, I got to take a change in my life and do something different. So I went to a personal trainer, and they had me at Homestead High School flipping over tractor tires, going up cement stairs, and it was just, I wasn't losing any weight. So I said, look, I'm paying you too much money, and I'm not going to be doing this every day, and I'm still fat. So she said, okay, go to the health food store, local health food store, and see what they can tell you. A lady there changed my life, and she showed me how to get healthy by still eating foods. So I lost 12 pounds, got off all those blood pressure medicine, cholesterol medicine. My husband got off the medication. He lost 60 pounds. My mom saw how I was a size 4, went from a size 12 to a size 4. My mom saw how I was, and I told her. She stayed up all night telling her what I did, and she lost 85 pounds. I have a picture of her. She went from size 18 to now size 8. And you guys, my mom is 74 years old, so if she's 74, anybody can do it, okay? She ate healthy foods. I don't encourage diets. I don't like diets, too many restrictions, just healthy food. And we talked about her body and blood type. We did an assessment of that. And it also helped me to start making healthy foods that are quick, simple, and delicious. See, for me to cook and make food, it has to be delicious. So here I have it. Quick, simple, healthy food. Today I'm going to make a healthy, tasty pizza for you. Alright? And I'll tell you also about me. I have a daycare. Been running my daycare for 18 years. All my children eat healthy. No pops, no juices. Not even apple juice. They drink water and milk. And they love it. I introduce a fruit and a vegetable to them every single day. They eat fruits and vegetables every day. I got 2-year-olds that can tell you what an eggplant is, okay? That we cook it every day, so I'm really about the healthy tip. I wasn't like that. I was at Kroger's getting 10 for 10 Pop-Tarts, every flavor for the kids. But when I saw how they're learning, I've gotten kids off of ADHD and Ritalin just by the way they eat. So I'm really big on that and really against obesity. So I'm also a pampered chef consultant, and I have some of the foods here. So I have here, you can make your own salad, put it in here with chicken. You can even put your sauce in the middle, pampered chef. All right. I have silicone measuring cups. Check this out, guys. You can put this in the microwave. It won't even melt. All right. I have this one, I put brownies in. Yes, I make brownies. They're very healthy. I don't do any sugar. I use applesauce. I have an apple tree in my backyard. The kids put their apples in their basket, and they cut the apples up, we boil them, and they mash them up, and instead of sugar, we use applesauce. There are other substitutes. I made pumpkin and sweet potato pie, and I've had people here who checked it out, and they love it. No sugars and healthy flours. Okay, this is my favorite of all. It's the masher, meat masher. This is the #1 seller, and I love it. It's so easy to mash up your meat. It's awesome, and it's really quick. With my sweet potato fries, I just cut them and slice them here, and you have waffle sweet potato fries. This is one of my favorites over here. Is the double burner grill. I grill chicken. I use this every day. In the wintertime, you don't have to go outside and grill. I got this from Pampered Chef. I live by this. I grill chicken, everything on this. And you just turn on both of your grills on the stove, and you got a great meal, okay? And this is my everyday pan. This everyday pan, I put everything in here. You can put this in the microwave. It cooks evenly top to bottom, does everything. I love microwave stuff that cooks evenly. And I made the hamburger in here for the pizza. Next thing I want to show you, another Pampered Chef product, is the quick slice. This is awesome to slice up cheese, tomatoes, eggs, and vegetables. Okay, can I have a volunteer out in the audience, please, to come show how to do this? Okay, Zoe, come on. Thank you so much for volunteering. Okay, Zoe is going to chop up a red pepper. And I'm going to show you, all he does is just walk it down, rock it down. Go ahead with the quick slice. Show everyone how to do it. Or you can do it that way. All right, and then another way. Thank you for kung fuing it. That was beautiful. And then, if you want it, you have the long slices. And then, if you want it diced, show them how to dice it. He's doing kung fu style. Thank you.
My pleasure.
All right. So here you go. You have diced up peppers through the quick slice that Zoe showed you. All right. Now I also want to show you from Pampered Chef the food processor, which is another awesome thing. Thank you so much, Zoe. Can I have another volunteer to show us how to do the food processor? Okay, Dee, come on. All you do is just press it down. Okay. Yep. Sorry, Mom. Yep. Okay. Keep going. Keep pressing it. Oh, like that. See? Look how those onions are getting cut out from the food processor. Just keep on going. You can stop. Yeah. Look, no more crying. That's the new routine. Okay. Item I want to show you are the cutting boards. They're very awesome. I also have cutlery parties. I have Mexican fiesta parties. So you'll learn different ways on how to cut knives. This knife is so sharp that if you look at it, you'll bleed. It's very sharp. So, and it cuts through a lot of things. Just even chicken breast. It cuts through anything, and it's really sharp. So be careful. Okay, next thing. Okay. All right, so let's get started with, all right, so I have sauce. You can do, I have pizza sauce, and I also put in I got turkey burger, okay, because everybody can eat turkey. How I got clients healthy, and I showed them, Marty, that my mom lost 85 pounds being on my program. You can look at it. But what I did with her is I did it based on her blood type. So I do based on your blood type, because that's specific foods you're supposed to eat for your specific blood. That's how she lost all that weight. That's how I got off of blood pressure, cholesterol, and thyroid medication. My husband and I got off of blood pressure medicine at the same time because of how I ate. Now, the one thing about me was my mom's overweight, 245. Jimmy was overweight, 65. I wasn't overweight. Okay, so don't let it fool you. You can be skinny and on all those medications. I was a living testimony of that, okay? So I ate according to my blood type, which I make all the foods for in my meal prep, and I got off all the medications, okay? So just because you see somebody skinny and cute, don't be jealous of them because they might be all messed up inside. Okay. All right. So now the sauce. All right. You can get a piece of sauce anywhere. All right. So all you do is spread the pizza on this crust. This crust is flaxseed. Okay? There's everything about this crust is healthy. Okay? Flaxseed is good for your joints. I have to take flaxseed oil from doing Zoe's class so I can bend my knees at the end of it. It's very helpful. Okay? And let me just give you guys a freebie right here. Anything white or wheat you're eating is no good. It's very unhealthy for you. Wheat bread, 2 slices of wheat bread spikes up your blood sugar, okay? Wheat bread is the #1 cause of weight gain, inflammation, and diabetes. When you see anything wheat, run from it. I don't even care if it says whole grain. Run from it, okay? Wheat bread is bad. White bread is bad. Flaxseed, I eat gluten-free. Some of that stuff was so nasty that I don't even eat bread anymore. It cost so much and it was nasty, so I don't even care to eat bread. Even this pizza is great and everything, but I get to the point where I slice it off and just eat the meat because I'm so used to not eating bread. But if people want the crust, that's fine. So you just basically spread your sauce all on here. It didn't take overnight for me to get off bread, but I'm off of bread and I don't need them. Okay, my dad has had 4 heart attacks. All he eats is bread. My mom, she listens. She's in size 8, but my dad doesn't. So 4 heart attacks later, he's still eating that bread. Don't let it fool you. Those biscuits at Red Lobsters, they're so good and they're so not healthy. So I don't just help coach people, I educate. I tell them why. I tell them why you shouldn't eat anything, why you shouldn't, why so-and-so is not good for you, okay? Because if you tell me no, I want to go. So why can't I eat? What's your blood type? Do you know?
O positive.
O positive, okay. O positives cannot eat peanut butter, but guess what he can eat? Almond butter. Okay, so I don't say no, I tell you where to go. I give you a substitute, okay? People don't like to be told no, they can't eat something because guess what they're going to do? Just like a kid, they're going to go for it. So I give you a substitute, okay? So next we have mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese is good for every blood type, okay? I have parents at my daycare who, they don't know their blood type. The kids don't know their blood type because the parents don't know it. So how does Miss Nicole know how to feed the kids healthy? Does anybody know? Because I do.
You pick things that are with all the blood types.
I feed them foods. Very good answer. I feed them foods for every blood type. Strawberries, carrots. I know every food group because I've been doing it for so many years. So my kids are eating healthy at my daycare. They're not obese. They're healthy. I don't do pops. I don't do juices. Water and milk. That's what those kids get. Okay? We have tea parties and I do green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest teas out there. If you're going to drink tea, green tea. Okay, so I just drink water, green tea, and I don't even do milk anymore. So, did all the cheese. Now you're going to do the mixed vegetables and I just spread them on there. So, spread these on here. I usually do a whole orange pepper, green, yellow, and orange. I don't do any greens on here because I do salads. Do whatever you want as vegetables. You can do mushrooms. My blood type does not call for olives, but if your blood type does, there's an app. You can put it on there to do that. And I have onions. So you're just going to decorate your pizza, make it look pretty. Put the meat on there, but okay. So now you want to do your meat. This is going to be a really tasty one. Okay, ready? Next, you'll do your meat.
Just start to put it under the bottom?
Yes. You can do it how you want this pizza.
Now, Nicole, what sauces did you use to make that meat, or what seasonings?
Okay, good question. You can do ground beef. If you do ground beef, I prefer you to do 85 or up. Grass fed is the best.